Today we move on our first unit, that is entrepreneurial opportunity. In this unit, we first studied about what is entrepreneurship, what is entrepreneur, what is enterprise. You already learned what is the meaning of entrepreneurship. What is the meaning of entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is a process for creation of an enterprise with motto of earn profit. What do you mean by an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who start the business. What do you mean by enterprise? It is an outcome of entrepreneurship. So we can say that entrepreneurship is a process, entrepreneur is a person, enterprise is a outcome of an entrepreneurship. So we can say that these three aspects are closely related to each other. What are they? Entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, and enterprise. Tucker defines entrepreneur is a person who always searches for opportunity. So, in your unit, we now studied about what is the meaning of entrepreneur, what is the meaning of enterprise, what is the meaning of entrepreneur. Next, we move on business opportunity. What do you mean by business opportunity? It is an economic idea which is implemented by an entrepreneur to earn profit. While selecting the business opportunity, the entrepreneur keep in mind two important things. That is, first one, assured market scope of product. Second one, the reasonable amount of rate of return. What do you mean by assured market scope? Before starting an enterprise, the entrepreneur is to evaluate the market factors, different factors associated with the market. For example, the price of the product, demand of the product, to conduct the feasibility study. All these are very important in before starting the entrepreneurship. Second one, reasonable rate of return. Main motto of business is to earn profit. So, entrepreneur also conducting the business for earning the profit. Suppose he invests 1 lakh rupees to start the business. He after 1 year he can get a reasonable amount of return. Then only he satisfy the business activity. So, entrepreneur is always search for an opportunity. So, once more, business opportunity is an economic idea which can be implemented to create an enterprise and earn profits. Next, we are discussing about what are the elements of business opportunities. All ideas cannot be converted into attractive business opportunities. Before starting a business, certain elements should be considered. These elements is known as the elements of business opportunity. First element is assured market scope. Second one, an attractive and acceptable return on investment. Practicability of idea, competency and ability to entrepreneur. Fourth one, potential future growth. Assured market scope means before starting an enterprise, the entrepreneur is to evaluate all the marketing factors associated with his business. Second one, attractive rate and acceptable rate of return. As you know, all the business people are conducting their business activity to earn return. The return of business is profit. So, the entrepreneur should evaluate how much the rate of return is to be get from the business. Next one, practicability of idea. Day by day, our technology is to be changed. So, before starting an entrepreneurship, the entrepreneur must evaluate his business ideas according to the current situation. Next one, competency of the entrepreneur. In your plus one class, you study the entrepreneurs as not born, they make. So, depend upon the entrepreneur, the competency level is different. So, before starting a business, the entrepreneur must evaluate his competency. Then only the business can reach highest potential. Next one, potential future growth. Our business is to running so many years. So, evaluate the future growth of our business. In now, as you know, our corona situation, the schools are closed. So, we start our class in online mode. During the lockdown situation, there are numerous business opportunities arises. They are yoga training, work from home, data packages like Jio, Vodafone, net banking, news apps, different types newspapers apps are there, video meeting apps, TikTok, social media, FB, Instagram, WhatsApp, all are helpful to a entrepreneur to evaluate his business. Next, we are discussing about the exploring the opportunities in the environment. We can say that the opportunities are exist in the environment. They may exist from in the form of needs, problems of the society. So, a prospective entrepreneur has to find the opportunity which would be suitable him or her in terms of customer to be served and a profit is to be expected. An opportunity may be derived from the needs and problems of the society. Next, we studied about the enterprise process diagram. The first starting point of enterprise process diagram is from the environment. The entrepreneur is to evaluate needs and problems in the society. That leads to spot the opportunity. So, opportunity spotting by analyzing the needs and problems that exist in the environment. Second phase, the use creativity and generate ideas. So, evaluating the ideas received from the different sources to find a creative solution. Third phase is innovate new products or service, identifying the products or service through innovation. Last step is establish the enterprise, setting up the project and develop its own ideas. All these four factors are closely related with the environment. So we can say that the enterprise process diagram or entrepreneurship is running without support of environment. Next, what are the factors involved in sensing the opportunity? First of all, we can start with the meaning of sensing opportunity. What do you mean by sensing of opportunities? Sensing the entrepreneurial opportunity is the process of converting idea into opportunity and then into an enterprise. So, the entrepreneurs are the people with a vision and after spotting the opportunity are able to synthesize the available information in the market. So, before sensing the opportunity, the entrepreneur is to evaluate three factors associated with sensing the opportunity. First one, the ability to perceive and perceive the basic idea which could be used commercially. Second point is that ability to harness different sources of information. Third phase is vision and creativity. So, these needs and problems, creative solutions are directly linked with the entrepreneurial opportunity. Now we can discuss about each and every elements of sensing the business opportunity. First point is ability to perceive and preserve the basic ideas. Spotting of an idea often triggers the process of sensing opportunity. The following are the various sources which leads to the emergence of business ideas. First one, problems. When a problem exists and an idea leads to a solution to resolve that problem, it emerges as the business opportunity. Is, for example, digital SIM. Second one, change. A change in social, legal, technological aspects, etc., leads to new opportunity to start a business. For example, Bikaji, Dairy Milk are the examples of change that during that time the chocolates business is not running in a successful manner. Next one, innovation. It includes creating new things of value as well as new and creative process that add the value to the existing products or services. For example, computers to tablets. Next one, competition. The competition often results in the emergence of new and better ideas that result in the new business opportunity. Last point is that inventions. What do you mean by invention? Invention is creation of new products or service that leads to new business opportunities, being advanced in our own think. Second point of factors involved in sensing opportunity is that ability of harness from different sources of information. There are various sources from the information is to be gathered, like magazines, journals, books, seminars, trade shows, family members, customers, friends, etc. helps in getting the information that helps to evaluation of basic ideas. The entrepreneur brings together various sources of information and knowledge and analyze it into the best possible extent to identify the right opportunity to start a new business. Last point is vision and creativity. The entrepreneur should be able to creativity identify an idea to generate a valuable solution to a problem. Through this vision and creativity, they constantly overcome the adversity, the exercise control over the business, make a significant difference. Once the solution is identified, their vision to be converted into solution into business opportunity helps to them to move forward, overcoming all the obstacles.